This is one of my favorite places to stop. It's a, what is it, Thompson Rogers Beach, right off of 2. Let's see, west of Manistee. It's just it's a rest stop, beach, they close it in the winter. I've been by here. When the snow's flying, they close it off. That's pretty cool. A little bit windy today. Not terrible. Chop out on the lake. This Lake Michigan. Quite a few people here. There's still a lot of stores, restaurants, and the little hotels and that still open in the UP there. But I'm sure that's going to end probably pretty soon. I just pulled over to take a little break. This is this like an articulating brush hog that hooks up to a tractor. It's going to Wisconsin. So they'll have about a 2.5 hour ride to do that. And then I go a couple more hours south, pick up a second gen Ram somebody bought. They give me a call and ask if I ship it for them. That's no problem. If it fits, it ships, right? I could probably fall asleep to this, to the sounds of the waves crashing. It's pretty cool. Sun's out. It's about 76 degrees, man. The sun's kind of warm. Still have to turn the air on. Hasn't given me a problem yet today, but the day's not over. If this is all I heard at a truck stop, I wouldn't have a problem sleeping. But them freaking diesel engines are enough to piss you off. So you can't stop at a roadside beach all the time. This is just a luxury. I can smell that fresh water. I stopped at what is it? Cuthbertson's, picked up some smoked salmon, and that's some good stuff. Anyway, I gotta get going. Later.